Apple is setting up for like its third wave, like it's somehow behind the markets, which is very strange to me. However, my target for this move lower is going to be the symmetrical move. That if we're in a correction, and so far this looks like one, it's going to be around here. So right around this 163, I think you're going to see a lot of buyers stepping in. 165, 163. How it acts there is going to be very important. But this to me looks like if that's your first wave, and this is a second wave right here, and your third wave is about to let go, it looks like it's going to go lower than that, which would take us down into that 160 range. Really, as long as it holds 148, I mean, really, that's the size of this move can allow for a move down to 148 and still suggest a move higher. I don't see how that will happen with so many other stocks that have topped right now, but this isn't looking great.